Okay, so load the Qoocam up. You should receive a prompt for the available update. Just select it. There we go. The latest firmware 180 has been downloaded. To update the camera's firmware, please connect your phone to camera. Right, turn the camera back on, connect it to the app, just press the shutter button, wait for the camera to appear on the list, and select the camera. Hello. Now once you're connected, go to settings. There's now a red exclamation mark. Hit the firmware update and it should transfer the file. Okay, camera is upgrading. May take 3 minutes. Please keep it on and don't do any operation, otherwise the camera will not be available. See, it's blinking away here. Upgrade complete. Yeah, okay. Yeah, just go into the settings, reconnect to the camera again. And then settings, just confirm the latest of the firmware is done, and yep, it's there. Happy days. Simple as that. It took longer for the darn thing to download than the actual update process. Right, let's see if it makes any difference.